Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. It is, let's write on the screen first of all that this is fairbinaryoptions.com. And it is the euro and Canadian dollar. While this is a currency pair that is mostly ignored by traders for whatever the reason, it should be mentioned first of all that it is a cross, in the sense that this one moves like any cross based on the differences of the two majors that it represents. I'm talking about here, of course, the euro US dollar and the US dollar Canadian dollar. You are, let's say, looking at this potential 4-hour chart with the eyes of a bullish perspective, in the sense that this area here, from my point of view, is the all important area, is the key area for a potential inverse head and shoulder. Now if this is an inverse head and shoulder, what would be the neckline? Now the neckline of such a pattern should be around here, or these levels here, something like this. Let's try to make it a bit bigger, and like this, and to change the color of it like this. And then normally from this moment of time we should look to project the neckline to the downside in order to measure the amplitude of the inverse head and shoulder, and that would give us a nice place to go and buy call options. So let's change the stroke here, and if you go and project it here, guess where price is. Like it was with the ECB, this was a nice place to go and buy call options, and like it is today, this is a nice place to go and buy call options. What would be the expiration date? Well, I would go for expiration date end of week. Why? Because in terms of this pattern here, normally price should be attracted again by the 149.50 area. That's clear. But I would like to avoid the possibility that from this moment of time, price to form a contracting triangle in the form of A, B, C, D, E, and then move higher. And that being the case, I would like to go and trade this one with end of week expiration date. Plus, in terms of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, you look at the time taken for the left shoulder here to consolidate, and of course projecting this time on the right side here, and we still have some time there for the possible bounce. So how should we trade this one? Well, first of all, here I would like to buy call options right here, right now, into the 48.25 area. So buying call options with end of week expiration date for this euro and Canadian dollar. End of week being, of course, on Friday, by the time the US markets are going to close. In terms of the pattern here, what we are having is a measured move that from here to here, let me make it red, or like this. Let's make it a bit bigger and more visible. And if you project this one to the upside here, by the moment that the neckline is going to be broken, it shows something like 151. I would say that that is only the measurement, but price normally should go and target these highs here. So that would be the plan. What I would like to do also is to buy call option when the neckline is going to be broken. However, not here, not recommending it here or now. In terms of Elliott waves, I would say that this is a first wave. Then you have something like a first correction here to the downside, X wave, and then A, B, C, D, and E, and then from price to reverse and try to pop higher. It is a difficult day for the euro all over the board, because if you look at the euro US dollar, we are having something like prices below 136, 1.36 into 35.80 area, 35.90. The US dollar Canadian dollar, on the other hand, is unable to bounce higher in order to let's say to protect or to hedge the euro and Canadian dollar. So in order for this one to come here, I would say that we have, or we need, both US dollar Canadian dollar and the euro US dollar to jump a bit higher for the rest of I don't know, for the upcoming sessions. It remains to be seen. I'm still buying call options with end of week expiration dates for the pair, as this one is a reversal pattern, even though it is 4-hour chart. Have a great day. Keep in mind, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. All this analysis and recommendations are possible to the help of our sponsor Lioneye, so make sure you check lioneye.com. You make sure you check our Binary Options Academy project, and you'll have there a lot of the theoretical parts, technical analysis, and a lot of useful tools to help in your day-to-day trading. Bye bye.